today I'm rolling solo. It's just me. That's all you get today. Tom will be back next week. Got a winner to announce. Duffel bag full of goodies. Stick around. We'll tell you about that here shortly. I'll tell you about that here shortly. But let's jump right into two things real quick. This week's video was going to be about S13 weather strips, and Stevie JPN sent over a question today. Do you have 240SX coupe door moldings, retainers, and window trim? Stevie, you are our question of the week, and I'm going to send you a free t-shirt. All you got to do is hit me up with your information. You can contact me on Instagram, since obviously you're there. But let's hop right into it. This one right here, probably the most common, little shark fin deal. S13 owners, you know what this is? This goes around your mirror. I get hit up for these all the time. And then this thing is, it's like a big U that runs under the door. You probably can't even see the whole thing. But yeah, big difference from what's on your car probably if you've never replaced these. This guy, this is the back of the window, and this goes up and over, just like that, to the front of the door. And then we have got the belt moldings, another really popular one. This guy's got felt on the back of it. This is gonna be what rubs up against your glass as it goes up and down. And then yours is probably crusty, probably no more soft fuzzy felt on the back, and it probably looks like a sawtooth across the top. That's what happens after years and years and years of abuse. So we've got tons of S13 weather strips. I'll put a link below. If you go on our website, I spent some time on there a couple weeks ago putting in details to kind of help you guys. If you're looking at a weather strip in the picture and you can't figure out what it is, there should be a diagram attached to it. If there's not, you know, read the information. Sunroof weather strips, if you have a hatch, because it had a different sunroof in it, you've got the interior weather strip. It's got a little gray trim ring. And then the one that goes on the glass, and that one has two little notches cut out for the hinge plates to mount to the glass. So pretty easy to spot if you know what to look for in the pictures. The hatch seal, the one that goes on the door, we've got the cowl weather strip, which is the one up by the wiper blades and hood. Front hood seal on the pop-up headlight hoods. Those live on back order, unfortunately, so we've got a ton of people waiting on those. If you need one, get it on order, because what's going to happen is we're going to get them in, they're going to sell right out, they're going to be gone. Windshield molding set, so all the way around the windshield on your S13, and then the retainer that goes in behind that as you're putting the glass on. So if you guys need seals for your S13, hit the link below. You can check out everything that's available. If you don't see it there, that means it's not available. Unfortunately, so tons available still. So I feel like you guys with the S13s are lucky. S14 guys aren't nearly that lucky. So let's jump into a couple more questions from Instagram followers. And Michael MM360, what was your dream car when you were a kid? Probably like a Lamborghini or Ferrari or something. As I got older and, you know, I got to the point where, you know, things become realistic, money, things like that. I really wanted a Jeep Wrangler when I was in middle school. I've never owned a Jeep Wrangler, but oh well. Peter_Inslee, new Z, yay or nay? Yes, yes, love it. I can't wait for it to come out. Really excited about it. Let's see here. And Renee 240, Krabby Patty secret formula available. It's not, but you can use Krabby Patty to save 10% on your next order. Seriously though, 10% coupon code, that's gonna be it this week, Krabby Patty. I don't know what you guys are doing in these questions. You've been asking us a lot of food questions, Lay's or Ruffles. Come on. You know the answer to that. If you follow us on Instagram on Sundays, we do a Sunday Inquisition. It was all about food this past week. All right, we've got the winner of the YouTube giveaway, and that is gonna be Jimos Garage. Hope I pronounced that right. I'm not sure. I would take a trip to Hawaii. Always wanted to go, and I think this year will finally be the year. Love the channel. Keep up the great content. Thanks. Appreciate the compliment, and I hope you get to go there too, because that sounds awesome. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody who commented. A lot of Japan. Everybody wants to go to Japan. I think that, you know, that was a definitely in my top 5 of places I'd want to go. I think anybody anybody who really wants to see the world and understand and you know, experience other people's culture, you'd be hard pressed not to say Japan. A lot of you guys obviously want to go because of the car scene there, you know, whatever your reasons, they're yours, so that's awesome. S13 fenders. If you ordered 180SX fenders, we got a big shipment of them in. We've notified everybody who pre-ordered them. Appreciate you guys being so patient and awesome waiting on those. But got a couple more sets coming in, and we've got more on order. So I highly recommend you jump in there, get your order in. You're gonna be waiting. We're not shipping them. Don't message us and comment begging me to ship them, because I'm just gonna tell you no. I hate telling people no, but I'm going to. That's it. April 30th, 2021. I'm out of here, guys. Have a good weekend. Take care.